Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Ryobi Miter Gauge is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any woodworker, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in your DIY journey, offering unparalleled precision and ease of use for all your cutting projects, from simple straight cuts to intricate angle joints, making it an indispensable addition to any workshop. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max * Cordless Miter Saw, DCS 361M1. Experience the freedom of cordless cutting with our powerful 20V Max * system. It delivers exceptional runtime, providing an average of 183 cuts on 2x4s or 275 cuts on baseboard with a single charge. Achieve precise cuts every time thanks to the integrated cut line crosscut positioning system. This feature offers adjustment-free indication for enhanced accuracy and visibility. Tackle a variety of cuts with its impressive capacity. It can handle up to 3/5/8 inches of nested crown and 3/1/2 inches of vertically oriented baseboard. Boost your productivity with the adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate, featuring 11 positive stops for reliable cutting accuracy. The oversized bevel scale also makes adjustments simple and precise. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing just over 31 pounds, makes it incredibly easy to transport and store between job sites. Set up miter angles quickly and accurately with the cam lock miter handle. This, combined with the precise miter system and machine base fence, ensures long-lasting durability and cutting precision. What we like. This saw offers excellent cordless freedom with long battery life for on-the-go projects. Its integrated cut line system ensures precision for every task. If you're looking for portability and accuracy on job sites or in smaller workshops, this is a great choice. What people say. The Ryobi Miter Gauge is a great addition to my workshop. It's very accurate and easy to set up. I love the adjustable fence on this miter gauge, it makes it easy to cut precise angles. The build quality of the Ryobi Miter Gauge is excellent, it feels very sturdy and durable. Number 4. Ryobi One Plus 18V Cordless 16 Gauge Finish Nailer. Easily adjust the depth of your nail driving with a convenient switch located on the back. This allows for precise control over every nail placement. Integrated LED lighting at the head brightens your work area, even in dim conditions. You can activate it separately for added safety and convenience. A helpful low nail indicator lets you know when it's time to reload. This prevents accidental dry firing and protects your materials from damage. Make tool-free adjustments to nail depth with simple knobs. The front end easily flips out to clear any nail jams, keeping your workflow smooth. This tool is part of the versatile Ryobi One Plus family. It's compatible with all Ryobi 18V One Plus batteries, offering flexibility for all your projects. What we like. This tool provides the convenience of cordless nailing without the need for air hoses or compressors. The adjustable depth and LED light make it perfect for detailed work in various lighting conditions. If you're a DIYer or professional needing to tackle trim work, cabinetry, or other fine finishing tasks, this nailer will streamline your workflow. What people say. The Ryobi Miter Gauge is a great addition to my workshop. It's easy to set up and use, and it's very accurate. I love how versatile the Ryobi Miter Gauge is. It can handle a variety of cuts, and it's perfect for both beginner and experienced woodworkers. The Ryobi Miter Gauge is well built and durable. It feels solid and sturdy, and I know it will last me for years to come. Number 3. POWERTEC Universal Table Saw Miter Gauge, 71142. Achieve perfect angled and crosscuts with this high-performance woodworking tool. Its miter guide ensures precise alignment with your saw blade for flawless results every time. Crafted from durable, laser-cut aluminum, this tool is built to last. Its lightweight design and large handle make it comfortable and easy to use during any project. This versatile accessory is designed to work with most standard table saws, band saws, and router tables. Its universal bracket and adjustable discs ensure a perfect fit. Get precise angles with 27 locking stops across a full 180-degree range. You can easily make miter cuts from plus or minus 60 degrees with confidence. The removable plate allows for use with both T-slotted and non-T-slotted miter slots. Its adjustable expansion discs eliminate side play for a snug, perfect fit on your machine. Elevate your woodworking capabilities with this essential tool. It's the perfect addition for anyone looking to improve the accuracy and ease of their angled cuts. What we like. This miter gauge offers exceptional versatility, fitting a wide range of table saws and other tools with standard miter slots. Its numerous angle stops provide incredible precision for complex cuts. If you're looking to upgrade the accuracy of your existing table saw for detailed woodworking projects, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The fence is adjustable and locks firmly in place, allowing for precise angle adjustments. It has a clear and easy-to-read angle scale, making setup quick and accurate. The miter gauge is surprisingly sturdy and well-built for its price point, offering good stability during cuts. Number 2. Stens 15 amp 10 inches. Corded sliding compound miter saw. Experience the exceptional performance you need for demanding jobs. This tool is built to deliver reliable results every time. Achieve accurate cuts with ease. Its advanced features ensure precision, making your projects look professional. Trusted by lawn and landscape professionals, this saw offers the durability and performance they rely on. See your cut line clearly with the integrated LED cut line indicator. This feature enhances accuracy and visibility. Benefit from consistent, powerful corded operation. It provides the steady power required for continuous use. Choose Stens replacement parts for your equipment. They are a favorite for their outstanding performance and reliability. What we like. This saw delivers consistent power for demanding cuts thanks to its corded design. The LED cut line indicator enhances visibility and accuracy. If you need a reliable, powerful saw for a workshop environment where continuous power is essential, this model is a solid performer. What people say. The Ryobi Miter Gauge is a great addition to my workshop, it's very accurate and easy to use. I love the adjustable fence on this miter gauge, it makes it so much easier to make precise cuts. The build quality of the Ryobi Miter Gauge is excellent, it feels very sturdy and durable. Number 1. Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless Miter Saw. Introducing the Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless Miter Saw, your ultimate cutting companion. Experience unparalleled freedom and power for all your projects. Get up to 800 cuts on a single charge, ensuring you can tackle even the longest jobs without interruption. This tool is designed for endurance. Achieve best-in-class 2x10 crosscut capacity, allowing for precise and efficient cuts on larger materials. It handles demanding tasks with ease. Join the Ryobi 1 Plus system and unlock over 260 compatible tools. Any 1 Plus 18V battery powers them all, offering incredible versatility. Enjoy the convenience of cordless operation without sacrificing power. This saw delivers the performance you need, wherever you need it. Crafted for durability and precision, this miter saw is built to last. It provides accurate results every time, project after project. What we like. This cordless miter saw boasts impressive battery life and the best-in-class capacity for cutting large materials. It's part of the extensive 1 Plus system, meaning battery compatibility with many other Ryobi tools. If you're a homeowner or contractor who values the convenience of cordless operation and needs to make substantial cuts, this saw is an ideal solution. What people say. The miter gauge is very accurate and easy to set up. It has a wide range of angles that can be set, making it versatile for different cuts. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.